Yo, what up, guys? So a quick recap of yesterday's trades. Initially we took this trade on. This was the first signal that was shared yesterday, V10, and so far this is the performance. You can see it finally hit the last TP. We had our entry around 6421. Our SL was 6428, and small thing. It was remaining small for it to hit the SL, but it didn't hit it. The market now reversed and then went in our direction. So it hit TP this early morning. And then the second trade we took that yesterday was V25. Yeah, this was a bit dicey that yesterday in the sense that look, you can see that this market has actually been ranging. So it's more or less ranged all through. But then it hit our TP. It hit our TP, then reversed, and it's coming down because what we took was a buy. We took a buy here. Here is the signal that was shared for free. Here is the signal. Here is the signal that was shared for free all through yesterday. The first signal, okay. V10 cell, we can see it here. And then the second signal was this V25 buy, which eventually hit TP, and now it's coming down. So apparently, this V25 is now on a sell, and it's pretty much going to sell massively. It's going to sell more. It's going to go down to 2774. I think before today ends. So the last trade we took that yesterday was it was late in the night. When I spotted it, V75 1x. Where is it? V75 1x here. Okay, it was also a sell. We took a sell, and then it went down to it went to a low of 4592 before taking this retracement buy. What I also want us to understand is that this is still gonna sell, right? This is gonna just a normal retracement. It's just normal retracement that market often makes. So it's just going to retrace. After this retracement, it's going to. So, a matter of fact, this might even go lower than this TP. It might go lower than 4549. But then I'm accurately monitoring it. Let's see what eventually happens. So it's a new day. What it means is that there are also new opportunities. So here are also other pairs I'm looking at. I'm also watching out V50 volatility 50. I just looked at the chart this morning. I was able to spot something. So I need it to do what I'm expecting it to do. Once it does it, that will give us enough reason to take a trade on this. But I'm still right now. I'm still watching it. The next one I'm also watching is V75 itself. I'm also watching to see what it will do. Yesterday, it actually sold. It sold massively, yeah. And I was watching this. I knew when it got to this 109. You can see where I mapped out. You can see where I marked out 109642. Yeah, I knew that something was going to happen here. But we were already on a trade, and I didn't want to bombard us with a lot of signals. So I decided to just allow this one to go. I knew it was going to sell. Now it has hit this very support. What is going to happen? I think this thing is still going to sell. So it's also one of the pairs we are also keeping tabs on. And finally, we will also be looking at, you might be taking a trade on Spring on the step index, step 100. I'm also monitoring it to see what it's going to do, right? I'm also keeping my tabs open on that. You can see I've been able to map out some important levels to see what the market does when it gets to these very levels have been able to map out. Okay, guys, so make sure you fund your account. You can see I've been preaching it here that you guys should fund your account. Strike while the iron is hot. This is not the time for sitting on the fence. Do something. Okay, so you have to fund your account for you to participate in this. I'll be sharing all these signals. I'll be sharing them whenever the market aligns very well. And for you to participate, you need to fund your account. And if you don't have a Deriv account, look for somewhere in this video. Check somewhere in this video. I will be leaving the registration link to the Deriv account so that you can sign up, fund, do all the necessary things you need to do so that you can start participating in these opportunities. It comes but once. So I know why I'm emphasizing on this. So get your account, join us on Telegram for these daily updates and insights. Okay, and the beautiful thing about this is I'm not just sharing signals, I'm also giving reasons why we are taking whatever trade we are taking, so that you will by so doing learn as well. Okay, so talk soon.